13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
A couple of minutes ago, I showed you that the visibilities are reduced down to the south. You can really see that here from our sky view. Obviously, it is pretty clear here over the downtown area, but you can see the low clouds and that fog off in the distance. That is in the southerly direction. So right now, basically across parts of Chesapeake, southern Virginia Beach, and especially into North Carolina, that's where we have that fog. As I mentioned, though, in case you're just tuning in, it will be leaving us fairly soon. Last hour, we had no wind whatsoever. This wind, it is now starting to pick up lightly out of the west-northwest, so it has begun to shift. It will really start blowing pretty significantly late tonight. 15, 20, 25 sustained with gusts over 30, maybe even to 35 early tomorrow. So all these humidity levels will be coming down as everything gets scoured out. So cloudy, little bit of mist or drizzle, a little bit of fog, becoming windy later tonight, lows down to about 37. Current wind gusts, you can see there really aren't hardly anything substantial. Westerly at 4 miles per hour in Gloucester, not much in Central Virginia. So it's western parts of the state, which means it's going to take a while still to get that air in here. Current temperatures right now, you can see where the cold air is located. It's still back west of the mountains. That's where the front is, and that's what's coming through here later tonight. Right now, though, we are already down into the 40s. By 9 o'clock tomorrow, we're going to look at temperatures in the 30s everywhere, and that's air temperature. This isn't the future cast for the wind chills. This is the air temperature. You factor at least 10 degrees colder because of the wind early tomorrow. So it will feel like the mid to upper 30s, mid to upper 20s. We wish mid to upper 30s, mid to upper 20s at best. And then actual air temperatures during the afternoon struggling to get much past 40 degrees. A few clouds tomorrow night. Slight chance of a flurry late tomorrow night and early in the day on Tuesday. In general, just more cold air Tuesday. Highs struggling once again to get up into the lower 40s, and with the breeze, it'll feel colder than that. And by Tuesday afternoon, we're talking about readings already down into the 20s. Winds right now, you can see very light. As we mentioned, all of that cold polar air is off to the west. So the futurecast takes us into 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Notice the winds starting to gust into the teens. Excuse me, these are the sustained winds now. And here we are in the morning, sustained winds westerly at 22. There's another west at 22, west-northwest at 25 down in North Carolina. So those winds again picking up. Here we go with the forecast. You can see that snow developing out in the mountains. So around here, just cloudy with a little mist or drizzle, becoming windy late tonight, 37. Tomorrow, 43 if we're lucky. I probably should lower that to about 41 or 2. Windy and cold. And then on Tuesday, only 43. Wednesday, 20% chance of some precipitation, mainly in North Carolina. Looks like that system might miss us off to the south. Things get interesting, though, Thursday and especially into Friday with a little bit of a mix across parts of the region.